Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to install Steam games on a USB drive. This is perfect if you're running low on storage space on your main drive or if you want to take your games with you on the go. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in and can see your main Steam interface, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen. You'll see a menu option labeled Steam. Go ahead and click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings. This will open up the settings window where you can configure various aspects of your Steam client. Once the settings window opens, look at the left panel where you'll find several categories. Click on Storage. This section is where Steam manages all your game installation locations and allows you to add new drives for storing your games. It's a crucial feature for managing your game library across multiple storage devices. Now, in the storage section, you'll notice a drop-down menu at the top of the window. Click on it and select Add Drive. This option lets you designate additional storage locations where Steam can install games, giving you more flexibility with your storage management. A new window will appear asking you to select which drive you want to add. Click the drop-down menu and select your external USB drive from the list. Once you've selected it, click Add to confirm your choice. Steam will now recognize this USB drive as a valid location for game installations, and you'll be able to use it whenever you install or move games. With your USB drive successfully added, navigate to the top menu and click on Library. This will take you to your game library where you can see all the games available in your Steam account. In the left panel, you'll see a list of all your games, both installed and uninstalled. Find the game you want to install on your USB drive. Right-click on it, and from the context menu that appears, select Install. This will bring up the installation window where you can choose where you want the game to be installed. In the installation window, you'll see the USB drive you added earlier listed as an available installation location. Select your USB drive, then click Install to begin the installation process. Steam will now download and install the game directly to your USB drive instead of your main hard drive. Although my USB drive has not enough space for this particular game, so Steam is alerting me about the insufficient storage. If this happens to you, you'll either need to free up space on your USB drive or choose a different drive with more available storage. And there you have it. You've successfully configured Steam to install games on your USB drive, giving you more control over your storage options. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.